What if a simple dental cleaning could actually help your body heal? Not just polish your teeth, but lower inflammation and support your immune system. At TRYBE, we see every dental cleaning as an opportunity to boost your overall health. It's a moment to support your immune system and bring your body back into balance. This is why we don't treat cleanings like routine checkups. We treat them like powerful steps in your full body wellness journey. Today, we'll show you exactly how it works. So what makes biological cleanings different? It's a gentle, biocompatible approach designed to work with your body, not against it. Non-toxic, minimally invasive, microbiome safe. Step 1. Assess your terrain. We begin with a full evaluation of your oral flora, gum health, and what we call interference zones, areas of hidden inflammation or silent stress in the mouth. Step 2. Clean with purpose. Using ultrasonic tools and delicate hand scaling, we gently remove harmful biofilm and buildup without disturbing your soft tissue or the natural bacteria your body needs. Once we've cleared out what doesn't belong, we focus on the restoration. Step 3. Restore your balance. We apply natural remineralizing treatments and, when needed, micronutrients that will help your system recover and rebuild. The result? You live with more than a clean teeth. You live feeling clearer, lighter, and more aligned. And we've seen real changes in our patients. Some notice less bleeding and inflammation right away. Others say their smile feels fresher. Many even report better sleep, more energy, and clearer focus. One patient came in with chronic gum pain and sinus issues. After just a few sessions, the bleeding stopped, and she started sleeping through the night again. Her body felt calmer, more balanced. Because oral inflammation doesn't stay in your mouth, it travels. And treating it properly can shift everything. If you've tried everything and still feel off, this might be your missing piece. Our biological cleaning goes beyond prevention. It's real regenerative repair. Book your free consultation at alltrybe.com and start your full body reset today. And if you found this information helpful, subscribe for more on natural dentistry, regenerative health, and future of care. You've tried everything. Now, TRYBE.